You can do it. You can do it. Come on, big boy. Come on, you just did it like 3 times. Whoa! Good job, big boy. I don't think you should go the other way. That's not safe. You're just mommy's little climber, aren't you? You are such a little daredevil, I swear. Good job, baby. Elijah, look at you. Hi. Say hello. Hello? Oh! Tell mommy hello. Hello? Whoa, whoa. Buggy. Buggy. Whoa. Elijah. Can you say hello? Hello? Can you say hello? Hello? That big boy. Whoa.